Why can't you build a multi-crore education company even with the best teaching faculty? The answer is simple. Though you have better teachers, but your competitors have better technology. In today's education market, technology gives institutes the edge. Without it, you'll be left behind. But partnering with East2Learn gives your institution the technology and marketing edge to stay ahead of competition. We strengthen your institution with 4 pillars: academics, technology, operations, and growth expansion. Academic support. Master every topic with AI. Study room and exam room. Our study room is designed to help each child learn better. First, it identifies the students' shortcomings in each topic. Then, AI helps to clarify those missing concepts. Next, it helps them improve their speed and accuracy. Finally, when they finish with their learning sessions in the study room, they enter the exam room, where they face questions of exam level difficulty. If they make mistakes, the reports and analytics pinpoints to them which subjects and topics they need to work on. They can go back and learn in a smart way, focusing on where they lack. Student drives their own learning 90% of the time, not the teacher. They learn to take charge, especially during exams. In addition, we also offer mock tests, topic tests, and daily practice papers, notes and PPTs and blogs articles, free video lectures to ensure well-rounded learning. Technology support. Use the best tools to stay ahead. We provide advanced technology support in the shape of mobile as well as web apps to our students, teachers, institutes, and parents. Student tech support, detailed student progress reports, AI-driven adaptive practice platform, customized high-quality comprehensive content, advanced student analytics to track progress, individualized study plan approach, personalized improvement plans for better scope of development, institute tech support, Parent Connect app to keep parents informed about their students' progress, app for teachers to track and monitor the students' progress, as well as provide class assessments, auto-generated student reports for teachers, academy portal for easier batch and teacher management, easier and deeper management of multiple students, 24/7 tech support, continuously upgraded academic content, problem-solving support answered by our SMEs, operations support, cut costs and improve efficiency. Our technology can significantly reduce operational costs by relieving teachers of the time spent in creating assessments and tests and then checking the same. The Teacher app helps teachers to monitor the students, give online lectures and doubt-clearing sessions. This deeper management of various functions allows you to accelerate workflows and decrease expenses while upholding high standards. Expansion support. Grow and reach new heights. We help you grow beyond just academics and operations. A business truly begins when it provides value to its customers. Students' good results ensure growth of the institutions. Our AI study room ensures that students will clear their exams. It is designed based on the methods that top students use to succeed. Additionally, our marketing add-ons and partnerships will improve your online presence, and we will refer students to your platform through our partner network to help you grow. Partner with us and turn yourself from a non-tech to a high-tech institute. Collaborating with East2Learn equips institutions with advanced technology and study methods, enhancing students' success while reducing costs and streamlining operations. We are associated with 500+ partners and are available in 200+ cities. Our growth strategies attract more students, enabling institutions to thrive in a competitive landscape.